For TraderInsight.com, I'm Adrian Manns, and it's time for your daily dose of the doctor. Well, yesterday I told you I was going to be looking at some healthcare stocks, and today UNH, United Health Group Incorporated, was on my trading plan as a stocks to watch candidate. We handle those a little bit differently than the around the horn plan trades, but generally speaking, it's the same philosophy. UNH was a fastball expansion of range and volume. We had an entry planned right here at 142.54. 142.03 was our protective stop, and 143.30 was the target. It's easy to see here that this trade played out the way that we expected it to, but what's nice to look for are those early entry setups, and in particular those that inflect at pivot lines and overlap with support and resistance. And I just want to show you why this opening range here really didn't make sense as a place to take a position, even though it was really oscillating right around that central pivot line. Now, the first thing to notice is in yesterday's trading, there was really no support and resistance right at this level. If we look, price did make a move from overhead resistance up to and through that pivot level yesterday, but I would never anticipate that this morning it was going to bounce from this $141 level and make it through 141.30. So really what I'm looking for is something to happen where the stock last took off. And yesterday, what we see is that right up about here at 141.62 was where the stock found support and broke higher, made a big move to the upside, and then later in the day found support and moved higher up to 142.03, and then again later in the session found some support and bounced going into the close. From a technical standpoint this morning, the break of 141.62 was a good place to look for an early entry on the stock, and the target on any hesitation whatsoever would be right up in here at this inflection point from yesterday's trading. Go a little bit shy of that, and you are at 142.36. That's a 72-cent move, a 72-cent profit potential if you're alert and looking for support and resistance levels that have the potential to pivot price once again today. If you have any questions, shoot me an email, adrian@traderinsight.com. If you haven't done so already, get out there and vote. There's a lot on the line this time, and complaining about it afterwards is not going to do you any good whatsoever. Get to the ballot box, vote your conscience, and tomorrow we'll get back to work. It's the best trader education anywhere, only from TraderInsight.com.